combat in video games. It's the art of creating engaging action between player and AI-controlled characters, or other players. In the case of Sanctity, it's the former, and it's something that I've been working on quite a lot in the last few months. In short, I've rebuilt the way I handle enemy actions and states to allow for easy expansion and duplication across enemy entities. The way I've set up enemies for Sanctity is that each enemy type is actually a child of the enemy core actor. This means that they all automatically inherit every bit of the enemy core's blueprint and can access and utilise everything inside of the enemy core. What I'd previously done next was to create individual attack events for each enemy type in the blueprint, and then called the corresponding attack type for each enemy type in their AI behaviour trees. However, this was quickly becoming rather cumbersome and quite unwieldy, even when I only had 6 enemy types. So I needed a better solution. Now, the enemy core has a set number of attack events. You have melee attack, combo melee attack, ranged attack, dash attack, and special attack. Each of these are instance editable, meaning that I can change key parameters and variables for them for each shard I make without having to create entirely new attack events each time. Those variables include the flipbook animation that's played for the attack, any particle effects that are used in the attack, and the speed of the attack as well. So for a basic enemy like a corrupted citizen, I would use the melee behaviour tree, which can be used by all melee enemies, but for their specific attack, I can set which flipbook animation they use and how quickly they're able to attack, independently from every other melee enemy that's using that behaviour tree. This means that now I only actually need 5 behaviour trees for standard enemies, and then I can create more unique behaviour trees for boss fight enemies. On top of that, the fact that I can define the special attack events independently for each enemy means that I can also utilise the particle systems in Unreal Engine 5 to create a variety of attacks as well. For example, I can make a flying enemy that drops particle effect orbs as if they were bombs, or a turret enemy that fires a wide laser beam. And the particles that make up those attacks can be given collision within the particle system, which can then handle the damage they deal. All of this comes together to allow for easy and quick expansion of enemy types and attacks, built off of a working core system to minimise potential bugs whilst creating what should be a fun and diverse combat experience for the player. With all of that core system now built as I want it, the next stage is to get more enemy types created, and then start working on the player character's upgrade system. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in following the development of Sanctity, feel free to hit that subscribe button. But for now, have a great day.